Hello friends, welcome back to toothscorner.com videos. Today let's see the foods high in lysine and low in arginine. Balancing the intake of lysine and arginine, two essential amino acids, is crucial for maintaining optimal health and preventing certain health conditions. Lysine is known for its role in protein synthesis, collagen formation and immune function, while arginine plays a role in cell division, wound healing and hormone release. However, an imbalance in lysine and arginine levels can exacerbate certain health issues such as herpes outbreaks and cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, identifying foods high in lysine and low in arginine can help individuals achieve a more balanced diet and potentially mitigate these concerns. Foods high in lysine and low in arginine. Dairy products. Greek yogurt. Rich in lysine and low in arginine, Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for those looking for increased lysine intake while minimizing arginine. Cottage cheese. Another dairy option, cottage cheese, provides a good source of lysine with relatively low levels of arginine. Meats and poultry. Chicken breast. Lean cuts of chicken breast are high in lysine and low in arginine, making them a favorable choice for those focusing on lysine-rich foods. Turkey. Similar to chicken breast, turkey is a lean protein source that contains higher lysine levels compared to arginine. Fish. Salmon. Rich in lysine and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon offers a favorable lysine to arginine ratio, making it a beneficial addition to a balanced diet. Cod. Another fish option, cod provides lysine while maintaining lower levels of arginine. Legumes. Lentils. High in lysine and a good source of plant-based protein, lentils can boost lysine intake while keeping arginine levels in check. Black beans. With a favorable lysine to arginine ratio, black beans offer a nutritious option for those seeking lysine-rich food. Quinoa. As a complete protein source, quinoa contains ample lysine and is lower in arginine, making it an excellent choice for individuals following plant-based diets. Eggs. Egg whites. While whole egg contains lysine and arginine, egg whites are particularly high in lysine with minimal arginine content. Cheese. Parmesan cheese. Among various cheese options, Parmesan cheese stands out for its higher lysine content and lower arginine levels. Ensuring a proper balanced diet of lysine and arginine is important for overall health and well-being. Incorporating foods high in lysine and low in arginine, such as dairy products, lean meats, fish, legumes, quinoa, eggs, and certain cheeses can help individuals achieve this balance and potentially mitigate health issues associated with lysine-arginine imbalance. By making informed dietary choices, individuals can support optimal health and maintain a well-rounded nutritional profile. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.